Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to download offline map on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that long press on any place, and after that, as you can see, there is this list here. Go and click on more. And after that, click on download offline map. And here you can choose what part of the map exactly you want to download. You can zoom in and out of the map. And when you find whatever you want, just click on download. And like that, this map is downloaded and you can use it when you want offline. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.